A territorial stomping display commences.
Okay.
The skunk exhibits unusual confidence.
Hey, where's your mommy at?
Its abilities are without
You're
question.
so tiny. Where's your mommy? Oh my gosh.
Threat posturing is activated. Intimidation efforts are underway.
You're stamping at me. You're so cute. Look at you, all defensive.
Size is irrelevant here.
Yeah.
No opponent is too grand. Even significantly larger threats.
Chocolate. Jesus Christ, I got you some goddamn blueberries.
A small form factor belies its intent. These beasts challenge everything.
Oh my goodness.
Their fearlessness is an asset.
Look at all the... They're coming to me.
Aggression knows no physical bounds. A potent force in any encounter. Confrontation is deemed necessary. Confidence levels remain remarkably high. This is a clear assertion of dominance. It highlights potential dangers. Underestimation would be catastrophic.
Single file, everybody.
Their appearance can be deceptive. Even top predators require rest.